Oh, namuo. Ulala.
Hey yo. Okay, what's up guys? So we're playing Demonology again with Adam and Justin Bieber.
Bro, what's up?
Go.
Wait, I don't think it's this guy.
This is my flashlight. I need to use this. Now I got my.
Okay, so come with me, guys.
Okay.
I accidentally removed.
Yo.
Wait, I'ma check the room temperature. Okay, not this one.
It's not rusty.
This one.
Justin.
Bro, can you follow me or something?
Bro, you're getting lost.
This is we need like the
My door?
most. Oh, this is the ghost room. This is the ghost room.
Give me my
So
door.
I need
I'm a
to
scaredy
turn
cat,
this
bro. I'm
on.
sorry, bro. I'm a scaredy cat. Where are you?
Love you, bro.
No, room temperatures are.
Go here.
This
Can you
one is
wait for
higher.
me, bro?
Which one? Yeah, definitely this one, bro. This is the ghost room.
Really?
Wait,
Wait, let me see.
give me the.
Delete.
Can you give me the Wait, I'm gonna drop it. Give me the camera, bro.
Bro, I was using the camera.
I want to flashlight.
Wait, where's the evidence?
Hey, can you help me this one, the flashlight?
Hey, Mona Lisa.
Hey, can you help me flashlight, please?
Wag mo, ano yan dam? Useless yan.
Hindi yun nagagamit. Ito, evidence. Ito, evidence.
Bro, oh my god. The lights are flickering. Yan na.
Ayun, dyan muna yan, ah.
Yan na. My bad, bro. My bad. Yo!
Close the door.
Dude,
Bro,
stop.
we didn't even know where the... Yeah, this is definitely the ghost room, but I don't know what ghost room is. Wait, I'ma just...
Dude, oh my god. Si Mona Lisa kasi kaganina pa ako tinatakot eh.
Hindi ko naman tumingin. Wait, I'ma look for ghost orbs.
Oh,
I'ma drop.
what is this? Wait,
Am.
look at this.
Aba, gamitin mo to. Pag may nahanap kang ghost orb, sabihin mo sa akin. Alam ko kung ano yun.
This is 2 meters in all this little.
Yo. Yeah, this is definitely aswang, bro. The door closed, bro.
Bye-bye.
Vote for aswang.
Both? Okay.
Yeah. Vote.
How do I vote?
The bottom. Wait,
How do I vote?
there.
Okay, am I
That's
done?
wrong.
Am I
That's
done?
wrong.
Am I done?
And then the evidence, wait, I'ma see the windows if it's, yeah, it's freezing temperature.
I need a flashlight.
Oh,
This is
the
flashlight.
room.
Yeah, it's definitely freezing temperature.
Do I go finish the job?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Do I go finish the
This is
job?
flashlight. Now I can't see anyone.
Wait. I don't even know what this is.
This is Adam and this is Justin, the black one.
Shut up.
And
This must, I don't even know, bro. It must be a gold or a Benji.
And let's see.
You know what, I'ma summon the ghost.
Dude, I swear, bro. I swear.
Yeah, run. It went to 5, bro. It went to 5. Yeah, let's Why did...
Why?
Bro, we failed.
Why? How did we fail?
Bro, I saw the figure of the ghost and you didn't even let me see, bro. Bro, I
You
told
said-
you it was a...
You said run, bro. My bad. Okay, again.
Let's try Lincoln. No.
Don't ready up.
Juniper Road. Again.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, bro.
Ano to yung lion?
I'm scared.
Ako na gagamit ng AFM,
Thermometer?
ano to, AFM.
Sa labas. Okay guys, give me the camera.
Camera. Saka need din natin tong laser projector.
Uy, sa akin yan!
Anong gagawin mo dyan? Wait lang, check ko kung merong mail yung
Eh, alayas mo yan. Sa akin yan eh.
Wala ka naman ginagawa eh.
Tingnan ko sa flashlight.
Daw ka maingay.
Flashlight to eh. Okay.
Are you the monster? Let me see.
Oy, tanggal mo yun sa akin na. Yun eh.
Lang kasi. Basan yung thermometer.
Ano to? Okay na.
Mimi, gamit.
Drop.
Why?
Drop mo yan.
Bro, I love that thing.
Asan na?
Yan, thermometer na ito.
Asan na to?
Okay.
Justin, asan na?
Ano ba kasi?
Lalo ko kasi na flashlight.
Justin Bieber.
Sa akin na, yun eh. Yun na.
Okay.
Uy. Flashlight.
Oh my god.
Oh my God,
Can you open the lights?
Dude, open.
Yan.
I don't see anything.
Dude lang. Ito yung pinakamababang Celsius eh. Wait, check mo kung hindi. Lagi ko nga to dito para ano, may
There's
makita
nothing.
tayong ghost orb dito banda.
Ano ba
Bawag
ginagawa
nyo
nito?
galawin to ah.
Ano ba ginagawa nito?
Basta pang ano yan. Ano yan, para may, ano, parang ano rin yan, radar rin yan.
Ito ko kayo ah.
Energy monitor.
Apat. Hindi.
I think I thought I saw a ghost. Can you summon the ghost,
Drop mo.
please?
Wait,
Can you summon the ghost?
I'm gonna see for something that,
Can you summon the ghost?
bro, I don't even know.
Can you summon the ghost?
Aba,
Yes.
pag may nahulog daw na kahit ano, pero hindi daw nakita kung ano, sabing wag galawin niya nga Adam, napakakulit talaga. Kunin mo na nga yan.
Merong flashlight dito.
Alam ko,
Ano sinasabi mo, Justin?
sabi ko, pag may nahulog daw, edi, tapos walang evidence, edi, ano yun?
Ghost?
Oh, the spirit.
Now I'm scared.
They watch tayo ng
Nakabit at
TV.
didrop ko nga itong ano ko.
I heard something.
Na, check this haunted mirror.
Na 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 na.
Oy, pasok kayo sa closet.
Na. Why?
Kasi parang umbra yung ano eh.
Why?
Adam, pumasok ka ha!
Dan, pasok ka dito, Dan.
Kulit talaga.
Sarado namin.
Wait lang eh. Drop.
I'm scared. Dan, usog ka.
Okay, so... Aba, ito daw oh. Yung ano sa cabin.
scared.
Ano, sa storage room. Wala kayo dyan, sarado nyo na yan. Sarado nyo. Ba't nyo ako nilabas?
Bro.
Oh no! It's the angel! It's the angel! Aba. Nakita ko.
Dude.
Ano siya? Ano, yung, ano, spirit. Sa spirit!
Evidence.
Huwag kang magingay dyan.
And it was, ano, ghostwriting.
Yay, Black Magic's Blue. I have an award.
Nakita mo nga ba?
No, I didn't.
Nakita ko.
Uy. Send.
Nakita ko siya ba? Biglang bumaba yung thermometer. Adam, ilang beses ko sabihin na i-drop mo yan, ha?
Do I'm scared. I hate this game.
Nawala. Tara na, balik na tayo doon, takbo. Sinalado yung pinto. Pasok. Labas.
Ulit ako na.
That's
Sana,
scary.
ano yung talaga yun, Wendigo to.
Ano yung itsura ng angel?
May pakpak siya na malaki.
I wanna
Reverend. Oh.
Bro.
Look. Di ko pa nga alam to, bro.
I wanna play
Road.
something else.
Okay, let's leave.
Just leave. Do we end the video? It's been 9 minutes.
No.
And it's Granny.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Granny tayo.